Hi guys, for today's video, it will be just quick kasi meron kami ditong persimmon and it's our first time to try. Yung isa medyo, hindi pa siya ganun ka-orange. And yung isa, orange na siya. It means medyo hinog na siya pero pa rin siya medyo matigas-tigas pa din siya. And, sobrang kinikrave ko to mga mga bagong mag-December. So, nakikita ko na to, dumadami yung gantos, malalaki. Tapos, mahal. Pag December, napakamahal niya. Naging 50 isa. So, ito naman, I think, ngayon, mura na siya. February daw eh. So, mga 3-4-50 pesos na lang siya. So, tatlo, diba? Imagine, tatlong peraso, 50 pesos. Tapos, nung December, 50 pesos isa. So, ayun. Itatry natin to. Nakakita ko kasi to sa ibang mga vlogger. Ay, sarap na sarap sila. So, I am curious kung anong lasa. And are you guys gonna eat also? Are you guys gonna try?
It's yummy, it's yummy, it's
You wanna try?
Yes.
Okay, itatry natin yung pinaka, Orange kasi, pero tuyo na yung pinaka, nito. Nakita ko din yung dried persimmon na kinakain ng mga ibang vlogger. Okay, so,
show this.
ayan.
Bakit, mama?
Medyo juicy. And yung, in fairness, yung amoy talaga siya ng star apple. Kasi sabi nila, yun daw yung kalasan niya. And, kaamoy niya nga talaga yung star apple. So, we will try this
Star
one.
apple?
Try natin kung, or kay Mito,
Is that yummy?
try natin kung kakainin din ng mga anak ko. Okay, wag nyo kainin yung pinakabalat kasi medyo matigas. Dito kayo.
Yeah!
Dito ka, Gavin. O, try mo.
Kagat!
Hindi mo naman kinagat eh. Tastes like
Mango.
mango? How about you, Bilog? Gagatin mo. What does it taste? Oh, ayaw mo naman eh. What does it taste? Do you like it?
Banana!
Ay, it tastes like banana. It tastes like banana kaya. Oh, ako naman.
Ew. Is that yummy? Oh yeah, it's actually good! Taga mama!
It tastes like
Taga.
kay Mito talaga.
Is that yummy?
Or,
Mango! Kagat!
no, star apple nga.
Aja.
Pero hindi ko gusto yung texture na ganito. Ang i-expect ko kasi na makain is yung tawag ito, malutong. Kasi yung nakikita ko kasi parang papaya na basta masarap.
Kain ko mango.
Parang may dagta din pala yung pinaka. Okay. Eat this one. Ang bunso ko mas nagustuhan niya kaysa sa aking panganay niluluwa. Oh. Kunwari lang siyang masarap daw.
Is it red?
Do you like it? Pakita mo daw ang kinakain mo.
Mango.
It's good?
Yeah!
Okay. How about you? Do you still want it or not? Because if you don't want, don't eat.
I want it.
Oh.
That's
Kasi masasayang eh. Kinakain talaga yan.
This actually star apple.
Have you tried the star apple?
I never
Oh, gusto ni Bilog.
I never tried that before.
Yeah.
It's mango. It's mango. Is that yummy? Good. And
Parang may pagka-milky din ang flavor niya kapag lalong pag na-smooth na yung texture, mas hinog. Parang may milky flavor. Do you still want it? Do you still want more?
Yes.
Gavin, don't turn on the video until I finish. Huh?
Mommy. Me. Bawat tanggal mo.
Ayan.
Ito balat.
Okay, let me finish this one, okay? Let me finish and then we will try the hard one. Kasi parang ito yung...
It's more than the hard one. It's so hard to squish it.
Siguro yan yung... Oh, don't squish it!
It's too hard to squish it.
Yung iba, mas gusto nila yung, yung malambot na textures. Smooth.
But I want
Pero, hindi ko type. Yung smooth texture. So, let's try this one. Medyo matigas-tigas to kasi parang ano to. Wait. Medyo, ano to. Malutong. You wanna try again?
No.
What do you want?
I like
No.
bacon.
What do you want? I'm going to try this one because one is a little bit hard.
That's a little bit hard for eating it.
I think this one is crispy.
Crispy.
So, let's...
Mama, it is that. Let me see
Wala
that.
pala tong
Let me see.
buto.
Whoa!
Oh, I see one! Meron!
I see.
Pero hindi siya tumutubo dito, I think. Pero hindi siya... Oo, ang galing naman ng pagkahiwa ko. Hindi siya nasira. Ayan, oh, meron siya isang buto. Iisang buto. And, itatry natin itanim yung kung mabubuhay ni Papa.
Yay! I love this.
And then, let's try the
I want to
crunchy
try
one. Let me see.
It is stuck. It looks more like an apple.
The crunch is like an apple if you bite it, but the taste, I think...
Taste is good. Right now.
Gabi nito, oh. Ito na yung ano ko.
Tastes
Lalatan.
good. Mmm.
You like the texture? How about you? This is crunchier.
No. I love crunchy food. About me.
Mas matamis to.
I love me.
Yeah.
About me.
Sabi mo, ayaw mo.
About me.
You wanna try also?
Yes.
Mas masarap to. I don't
Sabah.
like it.
Mama, ganda ta.
Thank you.
Mama, sabah ganda. Ikaw.
Thank you, Bilo.
You're super beautiful.
Come on.
Mama, that's yummy. Ayos kayo.
Go na, you try na the crunchy one. Come here.
That's a crunchy one. Ganda.
Thank
Ganda,
you.
Mama.
Come on.
Let's keep it.
This one's crunchy.
Ayan. Mango.
Do you like the crunchy one? Do you like this one than the smooth one?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So, we will continue eating this one. And, ayun. Lasang, pag hinog na hinog, lasang star apple or kay mito. Pagka hindi hinog, ewan ko kung, basta iba kasi. Sa iba kasi ang sabi nila, mas matamis daw kapag ka mas hinog. Pero ito hindi to masyadong hinog. Medyo mag-green-green pa at medyo, basta, hindi pa siya ganun ka-orange. Pero ang lasa niya, mas matamis. Baka magliba sila ng variety. Mas matamis to. Tapos, mas gusto ng panganay ko yung texture nito. So, I'm going to eat this one. Tapos, meron isang seed lang na nakita kami. So, we will try if mapapatubo namin. Pero, I'm sure hindi. Kasi, pang malamig to eh. I'm sure hindi. Basta itatry natin, di ba? Why not? So, ayun lang guys. Bye-bye for today. So, that's it for today's video. Bye-bye.